Hello engineers! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. By the way, may bago tayong playlist ngayon at ito yung tinatawag nating Matinik series. So sa araw na to is magdi-discuss tayo ng isang shortcut method in solving clock problem with hands interchange. Okay, by the way, this is Engineer Jivan Aiko Kalaki, and without further ado, let's start our discussion. So yung problem natin dito, engineers, a man left his home at past 3 o'clock p.m. as indicated in his wall clock. Between 2 to 3 hours after, he returns home and noticed the hands of the clock interchange. At what time did the man leave? Okay, let's illustrate the problem first. So let's solve this problem using conventional solution. So ito yung ating magiging illustration. Sabi sa problem, by the way, yung keyword pala natin dito, engineers, is hands of the clock interchange. Okay? So sabi sa problem, yung man daw left his home at past 3 o'clock. So lagpas na ng 3 o'clock. So this is our hands of the clock. This is the hour hand and the minute hand. So this is the 12 o'clock mark. This is the projected line for the 3 o'clock mark. This is our projected line for the hour hand. And this is our projected line for the minute hand. And then last, this is our projected line for the 6 o'clock mark. Okay? So itong illustration na to is the time when he left his home. Okay? So let's assume na yung time na yung man left his home is we let this as variable x. Okay? So from 12 o'clock mark papunta sa 6 o'clock mark, tatakbo tayo ng, so bawat mark is mayroong equivalent na 5 minutes. So since this is 6 marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 times 5 and that is equivalent to 30 minutes. Okay? And then from 6 to 7, that is y over 12. So ang buong tinakbo natin is variable x. So we have x is equal to y over 12 plus 30. Next, so na-analyze na natin yung time na man left his home. So i-analyze din natin yung time when man return his home. So ito yung mga projected line. So time when he return home. Okay? From 12 o'clock mark to 3 o'clock mark, tatakbo yan ng 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 times 5 and that is 15 minutes. And then from 3 to 4, that is x over 12. Okay? So yung buong tinakbo nito is equivalent to variable y. So we have x over 12 plus 15. And that will be y is equal to x over 12 plus 15. And then next, equate natin yung dalawang equation. So x is equal to y over 12 plus 30 and y is equal to x over 12 plus 15. So ang gagawin lang natin dito, yung y, magsasubstitute tayo ng x over 12 plus 15. So therefore, we have x is equal to, yung y natin is x over 12 plus 15 all over 12 plus 30. So using our calculator, engineers, that will be x is equal to x over 12 plus 15 all over 12 plus 30. So shift solve, may makukuha tayong value ng x as 31.47. So therefore, yung time na yung man left his home is equivalent to 3 and 31.47 o'clock, or 3 o'clock and 31.47 minutes. And that is our answer. So ito yung ating conventional solution, engineers, no? So sa ganito mga problems, so may i-introduce ako sa inyo na shortcut formula. Okay? Ulitin natin, ano yung ating keyword dito, engineers? hands of the clock, interchange. So kapag naka-encounter kayo ng ganitong problem tapos hinahanap yung time of leaving, so ito yung gagamitin nating formula. So this is our alternative solution. So minute or the time when the man left is equal to 60/11 times h1, this is our reference time, plus 12/13 times the hour of return. Okay? Substitute, m sub l is equal to 60/11 times yung ating reference time dito is 3 o'clock. So that will be 3 plus 12/13, and then yung hours of return natin is between 2 to 3 hours. So kapag ganitong mga given engineers, yung pipiliin natin dito is the largest. So which is 3 hours. So substitute natin dito sa h sub r is 3. So we have 60/11 times 3 plus 12/13 times 3. So using your calculator, engineers, so input lang natin to. 60/11 times 3 plus 12/13 times 3. So equal natin. So we have a result of 31.47 minutes. So therefore, yung time natin dito that the man left his home is 3 o'clock and 31.47 minutes. And that is our final answer. Okay? I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to, and huwag niyong kalimutan mag-share, like, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel para mas marami pa po tayong ma-reach at matulungan ng mga aspiring board exam takers. And then, huwag niyo rin kalimutan mag-support sa ating Facebook page na Review Excellence, and then sa ating REE community na REE Underground. So, nagtuturo po ako doon, and nag-share din ako ng mga knowledge ko doon. So, I hope you followed those Facebook pages. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat and see you next time.